Today, we're going to see how to fix Kik not loading on Chrome or on the web. Let's fix it step by step. Method 1, you just clear Kik site data on Chrome first, open Google Chrome, click on the three-dot menu in the top right and select Settings. From the left menu, click Privacy and Security. On the right side, select Third-party cookies, then click See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type Kik. When Kik appears, click the trash icon next to it and confirm Delete. Once done, close the tab and reopen Kik to check if the problem is fixed. Method 2. Use a VPN extension. If Kik is still not loading, open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Go to Extensions, then search for VPN. Choose any trusted VPN and click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. After the VPN is installed, click the VPN icon, turn it on, and reload the Kik website. This can fix loading issues caused by region or network restrictions. Method 3. Use another browser. If Kik still doesn't load, the issue may be with Chrome itself. Try opening Kik using another browser like Brave, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. In most cases, Kik opens normally on alternative browsers. That's it. These methods should fix the Kik loading problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech fixes.